MX Linux keeps things surprisingly simple when it comes to NVIDIA drivers, especially now with MX Linux 25.2. You no longer need to manually hunt for packages or mess around with complicated terminal steps like older Debian-based systems. Start by opening the terminal, then type sudo ddm-mx space -i space NVIDIA space -N. That command launches the MX Driver Manager with NVIDIA version selection enabled. After entering your password, MX Linux will scan your hardware and show you available NVIDIA driver versions directly from the NVIDIA Developer Repository. This is actually one of the best parts of MX Linux. You can choose a newer driver instead of being stuck with whatever version Debian ships by default. That matters if you're using a newer graphics card, gaming on Linux, running Blender, DaVinci Resolve, CUDA workloads, or just wanting better Wayland support. Once the menu appears, you'll see different NVIDIA driver versions listed. In most cases, choosing the latest recommended production driver is the safest option. MX Linux handles the repository setup, package installation, kernel modules, and blacklist configuration automatically in the background. After selecting the driver, let the installation finish completely. Depending on your internet speed and system, it can take a few minutes. During the process, your screen may briefly flicker or pause. That's normal. When it's done, reboot the system. After rebooting, you can confirm the driver is active by opening the NVIDIA Settings application from the menu or by typing nvidia-smi. If you see your GPU information appear, the driver installed correctly. One thing worth mentioning is Secure Boot. On some systems, especially newer laptops or UEFI motherboards, Secure Boot can block NVIDIA kernel modules from loading properly. If the driver refuses to load after reboot, disabling Secure Boot in the BIOS usually fixes it immediately. And honestly, this is where MX Linux stands out. Instead of forcing users through long terminal tutorials and broken package dependencies, it wraps the complicated stuff into a cleaner workflow that still feels powerful without becoming frustrating. That's it. NVIDIA drivers on MX Linux 25.2 are now much easier than they used to be, and for most users, the whole setup only takes a few minutes from start to finish.